Hey there, wellness wavers. Ever wondered how your body transforms when you cycle every day? Spoiler alert, it's not just your quads that get a workout. Your entire body is in for a thrilling ride. By embracing this activity, you're not just cycling towards fitness, you're pedaling towards a healthier you. Today, we're diving into the fascinating changes that happen in your body when cycling becomes a part of your daily routine. Let's rev up your metabolism and explore this simple yet powerful exercise that has the ability to profoundly impact your overall well-being. So, saddle up and let's pedal through the remarkable benefits of cycling daily. Number 1. Boosting heart health. Cycling every day is an incredible way to turbocharge your heart and improve overall circulation. When you engage in cycling, your heart becomes more efficient at pumping blood throughout your body. This improved circulation helps deliver oxygen and nutrients to your muscles and organs. Studies show that regular cycling can profoundly reduce the risk of heart disease by up to 50%. That's a significant reduction, highlighting just how powerful this simple exercise can be. Engaging in daily cycling is like giving your heart a daily tune-up. Think of it as a free upgrade without the costly mechanic bills. By consistently challenging your cardiovascular system, you enhance its strength and resilience, making your heart more adept at handling daily physical demands and stress. Number 2. Lowering blood pressure. Cycling has a positive impact on blood pressure. Regular cycling helps lower blood pressure by improving the elasticity of blood vessels, which allows them to dilate and accommodate blood flow more effectively. A consistent routine of just 30 minutes of cycling per day can lead to a 5 to 10 mmHg reduction in blood pressure. Number 3. Improve cholesterol. Cycling helps improve cholesterol levels by increasing the levels of high-density lipoprotein, while reducing levels of low-density lipoprotein. This balance contributes to a healthier arterial environment and further reduces the risk of heart disease. By integrating cycling into your daily routine, you're optimizing your body for long-term health benefits. Number 4. Losing weight. Cycling every day is an effective way to burn calories and support weight loss. The calorie-burning potential of cycling is impressive, with intense cycling studies showing that it's likely to burn up to 600 calories, depending on factors like intensity and body weight. This substantial calorie expenditure makes cycling a powerful ally in your weight loss journey. You can enjoy that family gathering with less guilt. Just make sure to pedal it off. Cycling helps create the caloric deficit necessary for weight loss while allowing you to enjoy a variety of foods without feeling restricted. However, my wellness wavers. Moderation is key. Number 5. Building lean muscle. Beyond calorie burning, daily cycling also helps build and tone lean muscle, particularly in the lower body. Regular cycling targets key muscle groups like the quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes, which not only improves strength, but also enhances muscle definition. The muscle mass developed through cycling contributes to a higher resting metabolic rate, meaning you'll burn more calories even when you're not actively exercising. Number 6. Enhancing mood and reducing stress. Cycling is more than just a physical workout, it's also a mental health booster. The activity triggers the release of endorphins, which are natural mood enhancers that can significantly reduce stress and symptoms of depression. Regular cycling has been shown to reduce depression symptoms by up to 30%, offering a natural, effective way to lift your spirits. Think of your bike as a therapist with wheels, minus the hourly rates. The mental clarity and improved mood you gain from cycling can make daily challenges feel more manageable and enjoyable. Number 7. Improving sleep quality. Engaging in daily physical activity, such as cycling, can lead to better sleep patterns and an overall improvement in sleep quality. Regular cyclists report up to 50% better sleep quality compared to those who lead a more sedentary lifestyle. The combination of physical exertion and a routine exercise schedule helps regulate your body's internal clock, leading to deeper, more restorative sleep. Number 8. Strengthening joints and bones. Cycling is a low-impact exercise that provides an excellent way to strengthen joints and bones without the risk of high-impact stress. The gentle, repetitive motion of cycling helps to fortify the joints and bones, reducing the risk of injuries and conditions like arthritis. It's like giving your joints a daily spa treatment, minus the massage oil. With these insights, you're better equipped to enjoy the diverse benefits of daily cycling while navigating common myths. With that said, thanks for watching. Your support helps us continue to provide valuable content to help you achieve your health and fitness goals. Leave a comment with your thoughts or questions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like. And if you are new here, take the first step. Please subscribe to the channel. Join us on this fitness journey and let's ride the wave to a healthier, happier you.